Okay, let's talk about what's called tap code or knock code. This can be used as a communication device between two people, even with something like flashes of a signal mirror, and is easier to manipulate and understand than Morse code because you use a simple polybius square that looks like a checkerboard of 5 rows and 5 columns, and you squeeze the 26 letters of the alphabet in there by using the C and the K interchangeably. And then you use a series of knocks, taps, or flashes to communicate one letter at a time with a pause in between letters. Let's take a look at that. So once we have written down the tap code on something that we can visually look at, we can then understand what taps equate to what letters. So let's look at that real quick. So once we understand that we read down and to the right, tap code becomes clear. So if we're typing water, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, space, 1, 1, space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, space, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now, if we want to stop a sentence, then we go with an X, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. If we want to acknowledge that we've received, we can go with a simple K, 1. Simple as that. Okay, guys, well, I appreciate you joining me out here today at the school for a quick video on tap or knock code. I hope it becomes useful to you in some way. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business, all our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. I'll be back with another video as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.